Hello there. Thank you for attending today's executive webinar session at AnyWare Apps by Kerr Consulting. AnyWare Apps are modern and AI-powered enterprise software products for digital business transformation. To learn more about AnyWare Apps by Kerr Consulting, please visit www.anywareapps.com or www.kerrconsulting.com. Now, let's get started today's executive webinar session. I would like to introduce Kevin DeVecchi from AnyWare Apps. Kevin, would you like to take it from here? Thank you.
John, thank you very much for introductions. Much appreciated. This is Kevin DeVecchi at AnyWare Apps by Kerr Consulting. I am the product lead of AnyWare Apps, and today I'm excited to welcome you to our executive webinar session on how real estate industry is evolving in this digital age and introductions to AI-powered social CRM anywhere. Today we have a subject matter expert, Justin Quintero. He is the owner of SHQ Properties, and we learn from Justin about real estate industry, how real estate industry is evolving in the age of AI. Also today we have Batu Satilmiş with us. He's a pre-sales software specialist in our pre-sales software team at AnyWare Apps. Batu will perform a demonstration of social CRM anywhere for your view. Before further ado, I'd like to invite Justin to our virtual stage, and let's learn from Justin about the real estate industry, how it is changing, why technology is very important for real estate industry, and we'll take it from there. Justin, if you are ready, please take over the screen. We are looking forward to learning from you. Thank you.
Kevin, thank you so much for the introduction. As mentioned, my name is Justin Quintero, and I am owner and member of SHQ Properties, Constructora HBL, and Quake Investment Group. Just a quick, brief background of my companies. SHQ Properties is a real estate investment company based in New Jersey. Our main focus is acquiring properties to fix and flip, and also do new constructions. We do single family and multifamily as of now. Constructora HBL is a real estate development company and also a construction company in South America. Our main focus there is acquiring and partnering to develop high-scale projects such as hotels, malls, big neighborhood subdivisions, and other commercial assets. And then also our other company is the Quake Investment Group. That is another company based here in New Jersey. And that company's main focus is just acquiring commercial and residential assets for long-term hold, benefiting our private investors with cash flow and tax advantages for everyone partnering in each project. So Kevin has asked me to speak about real estate and how technology has affected it, and in a good way, obviously, because it has affected it in a good way. And in this new era of business, technology is advancing very rapidly, and real estate and the construction industry are not falling behind on this trend. And honestly, it's very exciting to see everything that's happening, because it's making it a lot easier. The processes are being created are much quicker, and you can see a lot of different things that we haven't really seen before. There's a lot of different information, data, designs, and stuff that we can now see, like basically. So it's very interesting. Some things in the tech space that are new is artificial intelligence. Obviously, is new everywhere, and putting it into real estate and construction has been a huge plus. Virtual reality, online marketing, data and web scraping, property management, construction estimation, budgeting and payment, property surveys, and obviously mobile apps and social media have been big. Just so you guys can kind of see, all these little pictures right here are all AI renderings of malls that I've found, and it's what I'm saying. AI has definitely created something that we can have different designs in every part of the world. So exactly. So this is just an explanation of everything that I kind of mentioned before. What AI helps us with is the instant project rendering. So it's very cool being able to say, like, please, I'm building a mall, this size, around this, this amount of people, different stuff, different data that we can put in, and obviously it spits out some very cool images, and obviously it makes it very easy for the architects, engineers, and designers and investors to kind of see what they're working with very quickly. Zoning law clarifications. AI helps with that immensely. It tells you everything you need to know about it, market trends and data trends. AI has something that all information is capable and easy to see. Virtual reality has definitely made this huge advantage as well. Making tours of property easy and anywhere. This has just really opened up the global market for every single asset. If we're talking about commercial tenants, if they're looking to lease somewhere, obviously people who are looking to buy properties, being able to tour these types of properties just from your office or your home, and then being able to have it be an investment strategy as well. Looking to see exactly what you're buying right there is a huge plus. You don't have to, you can be from anywhere. You don't have to pay airlines or whatever, and it's very easy. And then obviously in construction in houses now, smart houses where you can control even all the lighting, the temperature, all from your phone. You can even control like your fridge from your phone, solar panels, and in the commercial and residential space, property management apps have made everything a lot easier for tenants to communicate directly with the landlords. Any repairs, everything is all under one. You could even do rental payments through the app. So that has made obviously everything a lot easier as well. We continue with construction. There's a lot of construction estimation softwares now. It helps, knowing your budgets for each project. Budgeting is huge, making sure, a lot of people used to be pen and paper. Now you could be on the computer. Having it be right there is obviously very easy. Contractor payments as well, just so for organization purposes, and the contractors are able to get direct deposits. They're able to send pictures as well as I just finished this. Can you pay me the first construction draw? A lot of appraisals and a lot of different banks are using this method now for different types of construction financing as well. Team communication has been huge in the construction as well. You being able to connect with the plumbers, the electricians, the framers, your project managers, the appraisal guys, everyone under one software has made it very easy and a streamlined process. And another big thing that's happening in the construction industry is drones. So with these drones, they're doing a lot of property surveys. You can obviously fly them very high, and you can map out and track the parcels. And you get a perfect. A lot of the times it's a staking out, but now with this, we're able to see an aerial view and just get different views of everything, and you're able to see a lot more. Mobile apps as well, in the residential space and in commercial space, apps like Zillow and Crexy, Realtor.com, all these apps have made it very easy for buyers and homeowners to just acquire again from their couch. They can look through any and all houses, as many as they want, all night, without even having to walk them. So technology has definitely made it a lot easier to do a lot of investments in the real estate and construction space. And then, of course, social media has been huge in every aspect as well, in marketing, new data, creating sales funnels, CRM, lead nurturing for brokers, buyers, sellers. And it's just given a very global impact view on how much, different people from around the world are looking to invest. They're looking to buy different assets and properties from around the world, not even like locally anymore. Before, a lot of the marketing was local newspapers, open houses. Now you can get people from different countries just joining your virtual Zoom meeting of the tour of the house, or your virtual renderings, or just follow you through social media and doing the tours of any property, and webinars as well. So it definitely has created a marketplace, an international marketplace for anything in the construction. Obviously, the construction and real estate market is global, and it's growing every day more and more. What the future holds in real estate and the technology world, I think all companies that leverage technology and social media will see a huge boost in their operations. It's already happening. Being able to be more efficient, getting your eyes on their projects, again, not only locally but globally, is an immense advantage. Obviously it comes as a cost, but it's an investment. Also being able to control and monitor the construction side, has helped all projects, be way more streamlined, run smoother, more organized, and it keeps everyone from the top executives to the contractors very happy because they all know what's going on at the same in one place and at the same time. And obviously, with the help of AI and drones, is allowed to develop the vision of a project much quicker. And this is great for developers like ourselves that we pitch a lot of these projects to private investors and being able to open up their vision quicker. Because one thing is being like understanding the vision in your head of if when someone explains it to you, but being able to actually see it with renderings, with videos, with all this AI that we are putting into our stuff, it makes all of our investors, all of our project managers, a lot more comfortable with what they're doing. We're able to ask more in-depth questions now that our eyes and mind are seeing exactly what is it that we're trying to develop, and this is way easier to secure funds as well with banks. And it makes the day-to-day grind of construction a lot easier as well because, as I said, like having it right there makes everything a lot clearer. And we're very excited for the future. Obviously, with the real estate and technology world, I think this is just the beginning of it. Who knows what else we could see, but as of now, I think every company that are using technology and are using social media are seeing the benefits of it. That's why, and all three of our companies right now, we're very big on it. A lot of CRMs with automations, with AI integrations. A lot of our budgets and construction softwares are all very big. Again, on tech. Most of our teams are all using iPads, so we're very trying to be very tech and high efficient. I think that's what the tech has created in our world, just become way more efficient. And I'm very happy to be a part of it. And I'm very excited. So, Kevin, thank you so much for the time, and thank you.
Justin, thank you so much for informative presentation. It was very helpful. We learned a lot about the real estate industry thanks to your presentation. Also, one of the important points that you made was the importance of technology and actually using a software in real estate industry, especially for marketing communications purposes. Having said that, I'd like to invite Batu to our virtual stage for our Social CRM AnyWare demonstration session. Before the demonstration, some background information for you. Social CRM AnyWare is an AI-powered customer relationship management software system. You can manage your prospects, leads, and customers. All of your interactions with your customers, leads, and prospects are recorded in the system. So you are creating a corporate memory, very exciting software system. In addition, you can manage your sales pipeline, the criteria where you are, as well as how the conversations are going with your clients and prospects. You can manage your email campaigns. You can send unlimited email blasting from our software system. That's very exciting. So make sure you have the permission to send the email to your leads and prospects. And in terms of how you can send emails from our system, we have no limit. You can enjoy the benefit of our modern email server. In addition, you can also manage your social media accounts centralized in one system. That's also very advantageous for you because typically you have more than one social media account for your company. You need to log in separately. You can manage all your social media accounts centralized in our software system. That's very easy to use when you look at it. You can send SMS text messages. You can send WhatsApp messages from the software system. Also, you can automate marketing communications. If you are interacting with a client or a prospect or a lead, each conversation can be crafted in the system. You can automate it with the help of our built-in workflow engine, which is drag and drop, zero coding, easy to use, and what I will show you in a minute. And the system comes with ready-made reports. One more thing that I need to mention, the software system has a native mobile app. So because the system is completely cloud, you can access from anywhere with a username, password, and multi-factor authentication, completely secure environment. In addition, you can continue using the system with the mobile app by using your tablet or smartphone. exacting software system. Okay, great. Enough said from my side. So why don't we show you and tell you about it? Batu, please, if you are ready, take over the screen, show us Social CRM AnyWare, how it looks, how it feels, show us, and please tell us. Batu, thank you very much. Floor is yours.
Thank you, Kevin. Today, I'll guide you through the CRM AnyWare, the all-in-one sales and marketing platform tailored for small and mid-sized companies and businesses aiming to enhance their operational efficiency, automate marketing process, unify client interactions, and reports in one comprehensive solution. The core benefit of the CRM AnyWare is to increase your sales at your organization. Now let's start with the dashboard. In here, you can see all your KPIs, key performance indicators in a colorful visual environment. As you can see, we can see total opportunity status, our opportunity value, conversion rates. We can see all our funnels with their stage distribution. Below that, we can see all our tasks. And lastly, we can also see our lead source report, which breaks down the origin of leads. Now, we're going to be moving on to the calendar. As you can see here, offers a comprehensive view of the month ahead. We can see the clean layout, the intuitive navigation, and the ease of access to any day you require. Also, it is important to point out that anything you book on this calendar, it will automatically link to your own Outlook calendar as well. With a click, you can switch to daily view. We have the option to do weekly as well, and monthly. We also have on the right, we have the handy mini calendar for quick date navigation, and the user search bar on the below here, simplifying the process of managing multiple calendars at once. We also have an option to add many users on the right side as well in this calendar, and we also have an option to add many as calendars as well. As you can see in this example, we only have one, and we call this calendar demo. And again, we have no limit to adding calendars. We can add as many as calendars as you want with the users as well, and there's no limit to that as well. We can add many as users as we want as well. Now, this was calendar. Next, we're gonna be talking about the conversations. Now, let's move to the conversations. Here, you'll see intuitive interface designed to streamline your communication. With a simple clean layout, this step ensures that no customer query goes unnoticed. You can easily filter through unread, recent, stared, and all. Conversations stay on the top of every interaction. Now, let's move into the contacts. Contacts serve as your central repository for all lead generation efforts. Here, you can see interface showing a list of contacts. Again, the layout is clean with vital details like the name, phone, email. We can see the creation date with the last activity and tags neatly presented. In here, we can also upload contacts in bulk as well. In order to do that, we can, as you can see, export contacts and import contacts as well. Again, to upload contacts in a bulk, all the files needs to be under the CSV file. And if the files are CSV file, again, there is no limit to it. We can upload contacts in bulk with no limits. And additionally, to upload in bulk, we also integrated with Sage Intake. So whatever contacts you created under Sage Intake, it will automatically transfer to the CRM system, and it will show up in the new contacts as you can see here. All right, next we're gonna be moving to opportunities. Our opportunities tool empowers you to adapt and manage your sales pipeline. This is where all your potential clients begin their journey from prospect to profits. Starting at the top, we have the Marvelous Lead Management dropdown. This versatile feature allows you to switch between different lead pools, making it simple to manage multiple campaigns or product lines from one central location. Moving to the left, in the first column, we have the new lead need to call column. Every fresh opportunity begins in here, basically. With a clear indication of the action required, it ensures no lead goes unattended. Each card represents a unique individual. Like, for example, we have Mark Demo here, waiting for that first connection. Clicking on Mark Demo, we can see his contact details, potential deal value, and the best ways to reach out to him. Now let's move on to our second column, which is the no answer, left voicemail, and text column. This is crucial in tracking follow-ups. For example, again, we have the Eric demo 2 has been placed here. This is a subtle nudge reminding of you of leads that require that second touch. Next to that, we have the schedule demo column. This is your indicator of progress. For example, we have a lead like Kevin has shown interest and is engaging further. This is a commitment to discover more about what you offer. Moving on to our no-show response and follow-up in 1 week columns, they are currently empty, representing potential actions rather than current activities. And finally, we have the columns like client close and client no interested columns, and these are every list destination. Also on the top right, feature keeps your workflow smooth. On the right, we have the search opportunities. This ensures you never lose track of a lead. We also have a plus and add opportunity button is your gateway to add a new business. Once you click on that button, we're gonna have to put our primary contact name with their email, phone number. We're gonna have to put our opportunity details such as opportunity name, which pipeline is gonna go into with their stage. We're gonna of course choose their status, is it open, won, or abandoned. We're gonna have to enter the opportunity value, and when all this information are set, we can lastly click on create, and that will update our opportunities dashboard. All right, now we're gonna be moving on to marketing. As you can see, you can connect your business and social media account to consolidate all your postings in here. As you can see here, you can connect with Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, TikTok, YouTube, and so forth. Next to that, let's move to our email campaigns. So under email campaigns, you can send unlimited bulk emails as email blasting. All right, let's show an example. So as you can see, we already have existing email campaigns, but for this example, let's create a brand new one by clicking on plus new button on the top right. After clicking on it, we're gonna be choosing the template. So I'm just gonna choose a blank template. After choosing the template, we're gonna be choosing our, is it gonna be a design editor? We're gonna be, coding, or we can do a plain text editor, right? For like easy access, I'm gonna go with design editor this time. So I'm gonna be clicking on that. And after clicking on that, now as you can see the untitled campaign, right? So I don't like this one, so I'm gonna be deleting this, and I'm also gonna add something else. So below this text, I'm gonna add an image. Let's just say we add an image here. And lastly, I wanna add a button. By the way, as you can see, everything is drag and drop. So we have a bunch of elements on the left side. We can add a text, image, we can add a button, we can add a logo, we can add a footer and so forth, right? We can have a video option as well. So again, everything is drag and drop, ease of access to use. So when I click on that, so as you can see on the first column, first line, I should say, I added text. In the middle, we have the image. On the last, we have the button. So let's just say this is one of my example email campaign. So after I'm done, I have the two options. I can either save this or send it, or do both, right? So for the example, I'm just gonna send it. So we're gonna be clicking on send or schedule. After that, we're gonna be choosing. So what are we gonna do? So send now, right? After that, we're gonna put in our sender email, which is our personal email that we're gonna be sending from. Then we're gonna put our name and our subject line. After filling these informations, we're gonna be choosing the recipients. So we can either choose all contacts. When I choose all contacts, so in the system currently we have 16 contacts, right? So it's choosing all. But I have the option to do like one by one as well, or you can separate them. So if I want to just send this 3 person, I can choose it separately like this. And once I'm all done, after adding my subject line, I can hit on send, and that will send as email blasting. All right, so let's cancel this out and let's go back. Now we're gonna be moving to automation. So here you can create and manage workflows that streamline your marketing communication with your clients and prospects. As you can see, we already have existing workflows, but for this example, we're gonna be going with this one. So let's click on it. By clicking on here, this workflow combines appointment confirmations, reminders, surveys, and review requests into a single streamlined process. It's still in the job stage, meaning it's ready for you to finalize and activate. Adding a new trigger is simple. We can simply click on the add new trigger. And as you can see on the right, we have a bunch of triggers, like we have contacts, triggers for contacts, events, appointments, opportunities, and affiliates, and so forth. As you can see, we have a bunch. If I want to, for example, add a contact change trigger, so I can simply click on that. I'm going to be choosing the workflow trigger contact change, and trigger name, I'm just going to leave it as it is. And when I hit on save trigger, as you can see in here, I did a second trigger called contact change. I also have option to change between triggers. As you can see, there are like small plus buttons here. When I click on it, I can put actions between two triggers. In order to do that, again, when we click on it, we can see all our actions. So we have like for contacts, communication, for internal tools, for appointments and so forth, right? So for example, I want to do a create contact between contact change and confirmation email, or let's do with find contact. After that, we're going to be choosing the action name. I'm going to leave it as it is. And when I save the action, that will update my trigger, as you can see here. As you can see, I add a new trigger I add a new action between these two triggers. And it's that simple. Now let's go back. Next, we're going to be talking about our reportings. So let's click on reporting. In here, we can get a comprehensive understanding of your marketing campaigns, sales activities, and overall business performance with our reporting tools. So this is for our Google Ads reports. Under that, we can see how much impressions we got, how many clicks we got. We can see our total conversion with the conversion rate. We can see the amount of money spent on ads in here. And below that, we can see all our campaigns each with their status, clicks. We can see total cost, their total revenue, and so forth, right? And if I want to click on one specific campaign, we'll go like in more detail. We can see the campaign, again, with the impressions, clicks, conversions, and we can see their ads. As you can see under this campaign, we have 3 ads with their status, they're all online. We can see each ad's clicks, cost, revenue, and so forth. The same thing goes with Facebook ad as well. So again, we can see our total impressions, total clicks, total conversion. Again, we can see the amount of money spent on ads. And again, on the below, we have all the campaigns. We can see it under here too. Lastly, I want to talk our appointment reports. Under appointment reports, we can see all the appointments that have been booked, that have been confirmed. And we also have a pie chart here that shows there are 5 users and 5 outcomes. And we can see on the both of the graph here as well. Lastly, I want to talk about our mobile app. The CRM is available on the Apple Store and Google Play via our mobile app, bringing all these powerful features right to your fingertips wherever you are. And I'm going to show you the app in action as well. All right, now I'm switching to my mobile app. All right, here we go. So when you first open the app, you'll see the main dashboard. You can see all your messages. So when you click on one specific message, for example, you can see all your message history, again, with the contact name on the top. If you click on that contact name, you can see a little bit more detail. You can see their information, such as their email, their phone number, and so forth. And you can see their general information as well, such as their address and so on, right? Let's go back one more, and let's move to our modules on the left. As you can see, we have opportunities, manual actions, invoices, insights, tasks, reputation, products, and document contracts. On the way top, we can switch between different accounts. So as you can see, total we have 3 accounts. So I can switch between them with ease. For this example, I'm going to go with Marvelous Workflows. And after change it, everything stays the same, but our inside information will be changed, such as, for example, let's go to opportunities. Under opportunities, we can see the new leads, no answer, left voicemail and text. So whatever I showed you guys earlier in the web version, you see the same thing on the mobile version as well, as you can see right here. Again, we did the columns like schedule a demo, no show, no response, follow up on 1 week, client close, and client no transit. You can see everything, same thing on your mobile app as well. Next to that, we also have manual actions. We can see all our manual actions. We can see all our tasks. So as you can see, this is a completed task. When you click on it, I can either view the specific task info, the contact info. I can delete it, or I can even edit this task. As you can see, this specific task is, follow up. The description with follow up as one is assigned to Kevin with contact with Dave demo, and the due date, as you can see, the due date, and I can change it as well with a one-over click, and I can change the due date showing here, like here. All right, so this was our task. We can also see our reputation or products. As you can see, we have 2 products. Adding a new product is simple. We can simply click on plus button, and we will put our item name with the description. And after putting those, we also have an option to add an image. After that, we can click on next. And after adding the financial information, that will be update our products. We also have can see all our reputation here as well. Lastly, let's talk about our documents and contracts. Under documents and contracts, you can see all our documents with their contracts, as you can see right here. All right, before we finish, we can also see the calendar on your mobile app as well. As you can see here, you can switch between months, and I can make an appointment here as well by clicking on this plus button. I can schedule appointment or block the time. When we click on the schedule appointment, first I'm going to have to choose the contact. Then I can choose which calendar this schedule is going to go from here, and I can assign a team member to that schedule. And of course, arranging the time zones with the appointment title, appointment date. Once you're all set, we can click on the save button on the top right, and that will update our calendar. All right, that sums up the whole overview of the CRM. Thank you, Kevin. Back to you.
Batu, thank you very much for the demonstration. So far, we talked about the real estate industry in general, thanks to Justin's informative educational presentation. And then we show you Social CRM AnyWare in action, how it looks, how it feels, and how Social CRM AnyWare helps real estate companies manage their marketing practices in a digital environment. Now I like to talk about AnyWare Apps in general. I like to make a brief presentation and introduce you AnyWare Apps, how it looks, how it feels, features and benefits, and what type of AnyWare Apps products are actually we are offering for your company's benefits. Let me get started. AnyWare Apps are standalone and Sage integrated business software products for digital business transformation. They are modern software systems. They are mature, safe, secure, and easy to learn and adapt to your organization. When we look at what type of business software systems that we offer AnyWare Apps, let's get started with APS AnyWare. APS AnyWare is an advanced production capacity planning and production scheduling software system for manufacturing. It helps manufacturing companies utilize their production capacity operations and address their planning constraints. Social CRM AnyWare is an AI-powered customer relationship management, marketing automation, and social media management software system. You can consolidate and centralize all of your marketing operations on Social CRM AnyWare. You can manage your prospects, leads, customers. You can manage your sales pipeline. You can send unlimited email campaigns. You can send SMS text messages, WhatsApp messages. The system has integrated to various credit card processing companies, so you can make collections from your clients. You can manage your social media accounts in one centralized system. That's very practical and very beneficial for your organization. Software comes with ready-made reports and dashboard to help you see your KPIs. Quality Assurance AnyWare is a quality, risk, audit, training, and compliance management software. With the help of Quality Assurance AnyWare, digitally, you can comply with ISO 9001, Good Manufacturing Practices, ISO 13485, AS 9100 in aerospace industry, IATF 16949 in automotive industry, HIPAA, and many other quality and regulatory standards. AI-powered Asset Management AnyWare is an AI-powered predictive machine health condition monitoring, predictive machine maintenance, and OE management software system. At your organization, any type of machine and equipment, with the help of our AI technology, you can monitor the health of the machine, And if there is an anomaly, the software automatically triggers predictive machine maintenance work orders. You'll be notified up to 90 days earlier if there is an anomaly in your machine or equipment. These will help you eliminate any machine or equipment downtime. Very advantageous for manufacturing companies. If you are looking for a classic traditional CMMS or EAM system, Classic Asset Management Anywhere is for you. That is an enterprise asset, maintenance, facility, fleet, and energy management software. It helps you manage your assets, lifetime, life cycle of your assets, preventive maintenance, periodic maintenance, as well as break and fix maintenance, work order operations. If you are a manufacturing company, mining company, hospitality company, if you are managing fleets, this software will help you reduce your maintenance cost. To automate and digitize your business workflows, we have no-code, easy-to-use workflow anywhere. No-code workflow anywhere requires zero coding. Without coding, with drag and drop environment, you can create your business forms and business workflows. You can digitize all of your business processes. In addition, on no-code workflow anywhere, you can manage your tasks, you can manage your projects, thanks to the dashboard available in the system. You can also manage your documents. Documents may be your Word files, PDF files, videos, audio files, drawings, and so on. You can keep those documents on one platform. You can do versioning. You can share with your colleagues. You can also view and play all these documents in the software platform without downloading. Easy to use and modern software system. If you have complex workflow automation needs, such as accounts payable automation, accounts receivable automation, and so on, low-code workflow anywhere will be really helpful for you. And finally, there is AI-powered contract management anywhere, which is coming up soon. That is an AI-powered vendor contract and customer contract creation, management, and delivery software system. Thanks to AI-powered software architecture, software also lets you know about possible business risks coming from your contracts as well. Exciting software system and will be available soon in AnyWare Apps business enterprise business software portfolio. We also need to let you know that we have clients in different sizes. We work with small size companies, medium size companies, and large size companies in many different industries. So in that sense, our experience is pretty much vertical free. Speaking of experiences, we have clients in many different industries, as I listed here, and we have experience in that sense. We have clients and experience in aerospace, aviation, automotive, healthcare, energy, oil and gas, packaging, pharmaceutical, and many other industries that we have experience, and we keep learning from our prospects and from our customers on a daily basis. I also like to invite you to our YouTube channel. We have a very active YouTube channel, and we have videos about our software systems. We have executive webinar sessions about digital transformation, AI, manufacturing 4.0, very informative sessions that we recorded, and we regularly update our YouTube channel. Please visit our YouTube channel, AnyWare Apps, and subscribe. To learn more about AnyWare Apps, you can visit our website, anywareapps.com. You can visit our YouTube channel, and you can also send us an email to schedule a meeting for introductions and or for demonstration. You can email to kevin@kerrconsulting.com or info@anywareapps.com. I'd like to thank you for your time and for your interest, and we all are looking forward to seeing you at our coming executive webinar sessions. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Jane, back to you. Thank you.
Thank you for attending today's executive webinar session at AnyWare Apps by Kerr Consulting. AnyWare Apps are modern and AI-powered enterprise software products for digital business transformation. To learn more about AnyWare Apps by Kerr Consulting, please visit www.anywareapps.com or www.kerrconsulting.com. Thank you.